Good morning everyone. Let me briefly introduce myself. My name is Beta Serenayata Atika and I am delighted to be here today and we are going to talk about the Murabaha contract. The purpose of this presentation is definition of Murabaha contract, two types of Murabaha contract, pillars of Murabaha contract, terms of Murabaha contract, and examples of Murabaha contract. Okay, first I will talk about definition of Murabaha contract. The definition of Murabaha contract is a contract in Islamic Sharia that stipulates the production price and profit are determined jointly by the seller and the buyer. So, that the Murabaha contract scheme is the transparency of the seller to the buyer. Murabaha's financing makes buyer aware of the production price of an item and the amount of profit of the seller. Okay, next the topic is types of Murabaha contract. The first of Murabaha contract is Murabaha with orders. Murabaha transaction with orders are carried out after the product ordered by the buyer is obtained by the seller. So, the Murabaha contract scheme is that the buyer orders the good first, then the seller produces or buys from the supplier, then sells it to the buyer with price transparency. Second, the next type of Murabaha is Murabaha without orders. This type of contract is Murabaha transaction carried out directly without waiting for an order for goods, because the product is already available. Next, the topic is pillars of Murabaha contract. First, seller, buyer, object of sale or purchase in the form of product or service, price, and ijab qabul. Okay, next the topic is terms of Murabaha contract. First, the seller honestly informs the buyer of the cost of a product. 2. The deal must be in accordance with the pillars and principles of Islam. 3. Free from the element of usury. 4. There is transparency from the seller to the buyer if a product has a defect. The last, the seller must be frank regarding the acquisition process and all matters concerning the product, for example, purchases and loan. So that is all about Murabaha contract. For example, here is Adi is businessman who wants to buy a house from Mr. Sutaji, the owner of the house. Mr. Sutaji explained that the purchase price of the house is 300 million and will sell it for 500 million. So his profit will be 200 million. But Adi made an offer that Mr. Sutaji profit would be 150 million, so that the selling price would be 450 million. Mr. Sutaji accepted the offer that they both agreed that the Murabaha price of the house was 560 million, with installments of 7.5 million per month. There will be time for question at the end of the presentation. Any question? That brings me to the end of my presentation. Thanks for your attention. Bye bye.